Are you looking for a projector for PS5? In this video, I will show you the 5 best projectors for PS5 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the BenQ TK700ST. TK700ST maximizes space with a range of throw distances, enabling 4K big screens in tight quarters. 2D keystone easily eliminates trapezoid effects when projecting from various room locations. Projection flexibility, even on uneven platforms. More placement options free up valuable space. TK700ST refines your display to disclose movements and details in dark scenes. Access and discover new entertainment. Just say the name of the show or movie to start watching. The 4th product on the list is the Epson 3800. The Epson Home Cinema 3800 includes our latest 4K Pro UHD1 technology for an exceptional 4K HDR2 home theater experience. Using advanced processing technologies for resolution enhancement, color, and image processing, the Home Cinema 3800 faithfully displays all your favorite content at an exceptional level of brightness and color accuracy. The 3rd product on the list is the BenQ HT3550. HT3550 Ultra HD projector has 8.3 million pixels in every frame. True 4K resolution, an all-glass 10-element 8-group lens array, low-dispersion coatings, and DLP technology offer accurate colors and crisp pictures without blur or other artifacts. All this in a sleek, compact profile. Auto color mapping and auto tone mapping present stunning, projector-optimized HDR10 content. HDR10 and HLG support enhanced digital content from Blu-rays to streaming for viewing fun. The 2nd product on the list is the Optoma UHD50X. Supercharge your huge screen experience with the 3400 lumens 4K UHD Optoma UHD50X projector. Engineered for movies and gaming, the UHD50X delivers incredible details and vibrant colors that bring the cinematic experience home. Enhanced gaming mode reduces input lag down to 16 milliseconds at 1080p 240Hz for lag-free input response. PC gamers can take advantage of the ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate for blur-free visuals with outstanding smoothness, while consoles can opt for 1080p 120Hz or 4K UHD 60Hz gameplay. Compatibility with the HDR10 and HLG content ensures the Optoma UHD50X renders vivid 4K UHD content. Optoma HDR tone mapping combined with dynamic contrast presents an optimized image with brighter whites, deeper black levels, and realistic colors that jump off the screen for an immersive visual experience. The 1st product on the list is the Samsung Premier LSP7T. Cutting-edge laser technology in 4K resolution delivers cinema pictures and contrast with 2200 lumens. Go beyond smart TV with next-gen apps, super easy control, and a host of enhancements that elevate the projector watching experience. This compact projector can turn any room into a home theater. Ultra-short throw technology allows for product placement within inches of any wall to seamlessly blend into your space. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.